going on YouTube. So the last couple of days, we done had 3 tenant calls. One tenant, something going on with the floor drain. One tenant, something going on with the pipe leaking. One tenant, the sink, something under the sink is leaking or something. So we getting busy, man. Landlord issues right here, man. You want to be a landlord? It's some of the things you gonna have to deal with. They must knew I didn't have nothing to do today. Landlord issues.
You see it in there?
I hear it bubbling.
So what?
Yep, it's in there bubbling.
Okay, so bubbling. We might need to go in a bit more.
Yes, it's coming up the track.
Yep, that's exactly what we want to see. Yep, rise is one. That's what was backing it up. What is that? Huh? Debris? Oh, there. Yeah, there it is, right there. Okay, that's what I love about traps, though, is that it holds it all in one place. So where did I put that plug?
So somebody said
Somebody threw something down there.
But is that trap good, or somebody said I need to take the trap out?
Okay, so whenever it comes to house traps, I would go more so off of what's like the condition of the trap itself. So have you had a lot of like issues with this in the past, or is this more so like the first time?
It's the first time.
Okay, I would go off of what happens from here. Like if it becomes more of a constant issue more than anything else, because like I said, this is what was backing it up initially.
That big ass
So
thing.
yeah, so under this we would rock it down. Although it's a general term, it's more so referred to as abuse, just because there was something in the pipe that wasn't supposed to be down there. Presumably, this came from probably construction, just because it's a cast iron pipe. As well as if you look over here, we have a circle of concrete or some kind of enclosure that makes me think that this is how it initially was meant to be, well, how it was designed,
Right.
Which is not a proper way of doing it, but I see it in so many houses these days. What probably happened is they may have had to maintenance the line in the past, or due to renovation, somebody saw this and was like, hey, this shouldn't be on there. And then the pipe got down there and somebody's like, well, I didn't want to stick my hand down there.
So the other drain is
So this drain,
it's still underneath.
yeah. So it's underneath. It's just underneath some very shallow concrete. This drain piece right here should go directly to the main over there, i.e. the stack or the house trap.
Okay.
Right now.
Yeah, because it was vacant for years.
It was, okay. So who knows what's been going on down in these pipes. Like the only thing, like I said earlier, is if the house trap keeps having issues or gives off a sewer smell, then it might need to be replaced in the future. Which in regards towards that, if you want to get like some 4-inch plugs for here, that will stop any sewer smells from coming through the area.
Okay. All right.
I'm gonna go ahead.
Well, appreciate you, man.
You showed up at the right time, but no, it's always.
If it ain't one thing, it's another. Landlord issues, man. Hey, come with the territory.